Welcome to our version of taco rice. We started with ground beef and we added salt, pepper, and a packet of taco seasoning. Organic, of course. We had already prepared rice and we added about 2 cups, plus a cup and a half of organic frozen corn, 1.5 cups of salsa, and Mateos has lately been our favorite. One can of black beans, give it a good stir, and then we cover to let all of those flavors meld together. Meanwhile, I am preparing the tortillas, and I fry my own. I saute them in either coconut oil or, here I am using avocado oil. Once they are crispy, it is good to go. It was absolutely delicious. Bon appetit!